Rarely does an opportunity come along that defines the true spirit of the American West. Welcome to a premier 382.90-acre recreational and agricultural paradise. Located just 10 miles from downtown Sheridan, Wyoming. Free of all covenants and HOA restrictions, this isn't just land. This is a documented, proven trophy mule deer sanctuary. This exact property has produced confirmed Boone and Crockett typical mule deer scoring 183, 184, and 190, plus a non-typical approaching 185, all harvested right here. What makes this property truly exceptional is its privacy and scope. The land directly borders 481 acres of landlocked Wyoming state land. Because it's accessible only through private property, you enjoy an effective, connected footprint of over 860 acres with virtually zero outside hunting pressure. And the wildlife thriving here goes far beyond trophy mule deer. This ecosystem supports whitetail, antelope, wild turkey, pheasant, sharp-tailed grouse, and Hungarian partridge. Plus, you'll find ducks and geese frequenting the adjacent 3 state stock pond reservoirs. At the heart of the property sits a beautifully updated 1984 authentic log hunting lodge. Featuring 4 bedrooms and 2 remodeled baths, the lodge boasts approximately $200,000 in documented improvements. Enjoy a completely rebuilt granite kitchen with custom oak cabinetry and stainless steel Whirlpool appliances, 2 working wood fireplaces, and a spectacular new panoramic wraparound deck offering stunning mountain views. For the equestrian, a 40 by 40 3-stall horse barn comes equipped with power and a dedicated tack room with ample open space left for your future corrals or an arena. The perimeter is fully fenced, backed by a stock-permitted well and pond capable of supporting local wildlife and 20 to 40 cow-calf pairs. Beyond your property lines, you are at the gateway to world-class recreation. The iconic Bighorn Mountains are just over 30 minutes away, offering over 1.1 million acres of public playground for hunting, fishing, hiking, and endless ATV trail riding. Love the water? Head 45 minutes south to beautiful Lake de Smet for trout fishing, boating, and camping. While you'll feel a million miles away from it all, world-class travel access is incredibly close. Sheridan County Airport is just minutes away, offering 2 daily direct flights to Denver International Airport, connecting you to the world in under 2 hours. Don't miss this opportunity of a lifetime to secure a premier piece of Wyoming's heritage and an unmatched trophy hunting legacy.